Hello viewers, welcome to today's video where we're diving into the microscopic world of DNA medical nanorobots. Imagine a future where tiny robots, smaller than a cell, patrol your bloodstream, detecting and treating diseases before they become a problem. This isn't science fiction, it's the cutting-edge field of DNA nanotechnology, and it's reshaping the future of medicine as we speak. First things first, what exactly are DNA nanorobots? Well, these aren't the metal and circuit robots you might be picturing. Instead, they're microscopic structures made from DNA itself. Yes, the same DNA that carries our genetic code. Scientists have discovered that DNA can be manipulated to create intricate three-dimensional structures at the nanoscale. These structures can be programmed to perform specific tasks, like carrying drugs to target cells or detecting molecular signals of disease. It's like origami, but on a scale so small it's almost impossible to imagine. The foundation of DNA nanorobots is a technique called DNA origami. Developed in 2006 by Paul Rothemund at Caltech, this method uses short, synthetic DNA strands to fold a long strand of DNA into predetermined shapes. Here's how it works. 1. Scientists design a target shape using computer software. 2. They then create a long strand of DNA with a specific sequence. 3. Shorter staple strands are added, which bind to specific portions of the long strand. 4. These staples force the long strand to fold into the desired shape. The result? Nanoscale structures with a precision of about 6 nanometers. That's about 1/10,000th the width of a human hair. But these aren't just static structures. The real magic happens when we give these DNA nanorobots functionality. By attaching various molecules to the DNA structure, scientists can create nanorobots that 1. Carry and deliver drugs to specific cells. 2. Detect molecular signals of disease. 3. Perform simple computations. 4. Interact with and modify cellular behavior. Let's dive into some exciting applications that are currently being developed. One of the most promising applications of DNA nanorobots is in targeted drug delivery. Traditional drug treatments often affect the entire body, leading to unwanted side effects. But what if we could deliver drugs only to the cells that need them? In 2018, a team led by Hao Yan at Arizona State University demonstrated a DNA nanorobot that could deliver blood-clotting enzymes specifically to tumor vessels, cutting off the blood supply to the tumor without affecting healthy tissue. Here's how it works. The nanorobot is shaped like a hollow tube with the drug payload inside. The tube is held shut by DNA aptamers, short DNA sequences that can recognize specific molecules. These aptamers are designed to recognize a protein found only on tumor blood vessel cells. When the nanorobot encounters this protein, it opens up, releasing its payload. This level of precision could revolutionize cancer treatment, making it more effective and far less taxing on patients. Application 2: Early disease detection. Another exciting application is using DNA nanorobots as ultra-sensitive diagnostic tools. By designing nanorobots that can detect specific molecular markers of disease, we could identify health issues long before symptoms appear. For example, researchers at the Weiss Institute have developed DNA nanorobots that can detect low levels of microRNA in blood samples. Specific microRNA patterns are associated with various types of cancer, potentially allowing for very early diagnosis. These diagnostic nanorobots work like molecular logic gates. 1. They're designed with 2 types of DNA sequences. 2. One sequence recognizes the target microRNA. 3. The other carries a fluorescent marker. 4. When the target is detected, the nanorobot changes shape, activating the fluorescent marker. 5. This creates a visible signal indicating the presence of the disease marker. Imagine a future where a simple blood test could detect dozens of potential health issues simultaneously, all thanks to a swarm of invisible DNA nanorobots. Application 3: Cell reprogramming. Perhaps one of the most mind-bending applications of DNA nanorobots is their potential to reprogram cells. In 2017, researchers at the University of Texas at Austin demonstrated DNA nanostructures that could control gene expression in living cells. These nanorobots work by 1. Carrying specific mRNA molecules, the instruction cells use to make proteins. 2. Entering target cells. 3. Releasing their mRNA cargo, which the cell then uses to produce new proteins. This technique could potentially be used to turn stem cells into specific types of tissue for regenerative medicine, reprogram cancer cells to become less aggressive or even self-destruct, modify immune cells to better fight diseases. The implications for treating genetic disorders, autoimmune diseases, and even aging are enormous. Challenges and future directions. While the potential of DNA nanorobots is incredibly exciting, there are still significant challenges to overcome before they become a regular part of medical treatment. 1. Immune system response. Our bodies might recognize these nanorobots as foreign invaders and attack them. Scientists are working on ways to make them invisible to the immune system. 2. Stability DNA can degrade quickly in the body. Researchers are exploring ways to make these structures more stable without compromising their biocompatibility. 3. Scale. While we can create and test these nanorobots in the lab, scaling up production for widespread medical use is still a major hurdle. 4. Navigation. Ensuring these nanorobots can navigate the complex environment of the human body and reach their targets efficiently is an ongoing challenge. 5. Ethical considerations. As with any powerful new technology, we need to carefully consider the ethical implications and potential misuse of DNA nanorobots. Despite these challenges, the field is advancing rapidly. Researchers are already looking beyond DNA to use other biological molecules, like proteins and lipids, in nanorobot design, potentially creating even more versatile and powerful nanomachines. Conclusion. DNA nanorobots represent a convergence of nanotechnology, biotechnology, and medicine that could fundamentally change how we approach healthcare. From ultra-precise drug delivery to early disease detection and cell reprogramming, these microscopic marvels have the potential to usher in a new era of personalized, highly effective medical treatments. As research continues and these technologies mature, we may be looking at a future where disease is caught and treated before it ever becomes a problem, where cancer therapies are painless and targeted, and where our very cells can be reprogrammed to heal themselves. The revolution is happening at the nanoscale, but its impact will be felt across all of medicine and beyond. Stay tuned, because the future of healthcare is looking very small and very bright. Thank you for watching. If you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into cutting-edge science and technology. Until next time.